Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
No, you should not clean leather shoes in the washing machine. The machine's water and agitation can damage the leather. Instead, use a damp cloth to wipe away dirt and apply a leather cleaner for thorough cleaning. Finish by conditioning the leather to maintain its texture and appearance.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.